Welcome to another update from the 413th Australia Oceania channel, where the BI Meteorology continues to issue severe weather warnings. On the screen is the Illawarra 8 satellite view of the Australia's western region. Strong winds developing about elevated locations overnight Sunday and into Monday. Severe weather warning for damaging winds for people in parts of the central, east Gippsland, southwest, north central, northeast, west and the south Gippsland forecast districts. A cold front will approach western Victoria on Sunday night before sliding southeastwards across the state during Monday morning. Winds are expected to east below warning thresholds over the western parts of the warning area during Monday morning and over eastern parts during Monday afternoon. Here's the warning area. And areas likely to be impacted: Kinton, Dalesford, Mount Bulbul, Falls Creek, Mount Hotham, Mount Buddha. That's the latest from the Bureau in Victoria. And a strong wind warning is in place for the Port Phillip, West Coast and Central Coast. And here's a look at the Melbourne radar. A little bit of rain activity to the west of Renmark, Murray Bridge, Kingston, Millicent. Bureau Meteorology New South Wales has in place a severe weather warning. For the Snowy Mountains, the ACT parts of the Illawarra south coast, southern Tablelands and southwest slopes, and issued at 4:36 a.m. today. And here's the warning area. Winds will increase much of the southern ranges from Monday morning as the front brushes the southern parts of the state. Winds should ease by the later part of the day as the front rapidly tracks to the Tasman Sea. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour, with peak gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour possible over much of the southern ranges, ACT, the elevated parts of Illawarra, the south coast from the late morning on Monday with the passage of the front. The alpine peaks above 1900 metres may see the average winds increasing 80 to 90 kilometres an hour, with peak gusts in excess of 125 kilometres an hour from early morning. Wind should east by the late afternoon or early evening on Monday as the front rapidly moves away, as mentioned, into the Tasman Sea. Locations which may be affected include Bower, Braidwood, Canberra, Goulburn, Cooma, Bombarda. That is the severe weather warning for the Snowy Mountains, the ACT, Illawarra South Coast, Southern Tablelands, and Southwest Slopes, forecast districts, and that's for damaging winds. Bureau Meteorology will have in place a gale, strong wind warnings and a small craft alert for Monday. However, for today and this point in time, strong wind warning central west coast. Now we have a look at the GFS wind probability model. This is from 7 a.m. through to 1300 hours Monday. Again, we've got a high pressure system and we've got the cold fronts moving in. 2 severe weather warning notices in place, and each of these images are free hourly. Information's at the bottom of the screen left hand side. And what does one say about the imagery currently on the screen? It's going to be Tasmania that will get the brunt of this system. Now we have a look at the Himalaya 8 satellite view of Australia's eastern and the southwest Pacific region. Meteorology has a gale warning in place for the Bunbury, Geography, Leeuwin, Albany and Esperance coasts over there in WA. Strong wind warning Perth local waters, the Geraldton, Latterson, Perth and Ikura coasts. Now we have a look at the Doppler radar for Wollongong and Sydney, and here in Queensland we have a strong wind warning for the Peninsula, Cooktown coast, and the BUA's cancelled one for the Torres Strait. Now we have a look at the BUA's 12-hourly rainfall. A gale warning in place for South Australia, the far west, the upper west, lower west central coast, south central coast, Investigator Strait, lower southeast coast. Strong wind warning, Adelaide Metro waters, Spencer Gulf, Gulf of Vincent and the upper southeast coast. The BUA's total forecast rain information's at the bottom of the right hand side of the screen, and again it's the state of Tasmania, a little bit of blue showing up there on the west coast. And finally in this update, a look at a global satellite imagery, and quite a bit of cloud over New Zealand, the Tasman Sea and Australia and to its southwest. We also have a tropical system developing up there in the Arabian Sea, Force 13's main channel.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13 at extension 9094.